This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories. Madhya Pradesh government has decided to continue the Ladli Behna and Ladli Lakshmi schemes for the next 5 years. The decision was taken in the cabinet meeting on Tuesday. The government will spend rupees 1,14,365 crore on the Ladli Behna scheme and rupees 16,326 crore on the Ladli Lakshmi scheme. The cabinet also approved 18 proposals, including 35 new posts in the Madhya Pradesh Road Development Corporation. 7 already approved posts will also continue for 5 more years after September 19, 2026. The Prime Minister Matru Vandana Yojana was also approved for 2026 to 27 to 2030 to 31, with 60% funding from the centre and 40% from the state. Bhopal witnesses its first Jan Alpha protest on Tuesday over an education-related issue. Around 300 to 400 students of regional school came out on the street to oppose a proposal to merge the school with the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. The students carried posters with messages like Save TMS. They submitted a memorandum to Regional College Principal Professor S.K. Gupta and strongly opposed the proposed merger. The students also warned that they would start a fierce protest if their demands were not accepted. The protest attracted attention as school students came together to raise their concern about the future of their institution. A grand social harmony conference was held in Bhopal on Tuesday to mark the 650th birth anniversary of Saint Shiromani Guru Ravidas Maharaj. The Saint Ravidas Social Harmony Resolution Conference was organized at Ravind Bhavan. Before the conference, a grand Kalash Yatra was taken out from the ancient Saint Ravidas temple in Barkheda. Saints, devotees, women's group and local people took part in the procession. The yatra included a chariot, bands, drum, horse cart, camels and horses. It passed through several roads before reaching Ravind Bhavan. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav, BJP State President Hemant Khandelwal, MLA Pradeep Laria, saints and followers of Guru Ravidas attended the conference. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav said that bringing social harmony is one of the biggest responsibilities in today's challenging environment of caste division. He said the life and teaching of Saint Ravidas show society the path of unity and harmony. Traders in Bhopal staged a road blockade at Roshanpura Square on Tuesday to protest against action on commercial activities. The protest continued for around 1 hour and 45 minutes. A large number of traders, including many women, sat on the road and raised slogans. Traders said businesses have been operating in residential areas for many years. They claim sudden ceiling action could affect shopkeepers, employees and families dependent on these businesses. They demanded the early implementation of Bhopal's master plan and a mixed land use policy. They also demanded a law to regularize unauthorized development in Bhopal, similar to Gujarat 2022 policy. Good news for job seekers in Madhya Pradesh. The state government has announced recruitment for 1040 Group 3 posts. The vacancies include posts such as sub-engineer, draftsman and laboratory technician. Eligible candidate can apply online from August 18 to September 1st. The recruitment examination will begin from October 6th. According to the Employee Selection Board, the application fee is Rs 500 for general category candidates. Candidates from OBC, EWS, SC, ST and disabled categories will pay Rs 250 per question paper. The age limit is 18 to 40 years. Eligible reserve categories will get an additional 5-year relaxation in the upper age limit. A tragic incident took place at Omkareshwar in Madhya Pradesh on Tuesday. 4 pilgrims from Lucknow entered deep water while taking a bath at Kevalram Ghat on the Narmada River. The incident happened during their visit to the religious town. Boatmen, home guards and SDRF personnel immediately started a rescue operation. 3 people were safely pulled out of the river. However, one young man could not be saved and died. The incident has once again raised concern about safety at crowded river ghats. Authorities have urged visitors to remain careful and avoid entering deep water, especially during the monsoon season. A tragic incident took place at Omkareshwar in Madhya Pradesh on Tuesday. 4 pilgrims from Lucknow entered deep water while taking a bath at Kevalram Ghat on the Narmada River. The incident happened during their visit to the religious town. Both men, home guards, and SDRF personnel immediately started a rescue operation. 3 people were safely pulled out of the river. However, one young man could not be saved and died. The incident has once again raised concern about safety at crowded river ghats. Authorities have urged visitors to remain careful and avoid entering deep water, especially during the monsoon season.